last goodbye. The promises you broke, words you choked on, and I never walked away. It's still a mystery to me. Well, I'm so empty. I'm better off without you, and you're better off without me. Well, you're so unclean. Well, I'm better off without you, and you're better off alone. The lying, the bleeding, the screaming was tearing me apart. The hatred, deceiving, disaster. It's over now. Paint the mirrors black to forget you, and I still picture your face and the way you used to take